And they're off. On in front is taken by Aliana, followed by Andrews, very close, third na Octubre 14, then followed by Ghost. Rushing up Sky Plus, then followed by Modern
Dito nga sa
Stroke,
tagpong
Radio
ito, mabilis na
Step
kinuha ni
Bella.
Aliana ang
And
unahan at sinusundan siya sa pangalawang pesto ni Oktubre 14.
Lead now, followed by Octubre 14. Then around the outside third is Andrews Bet, then followed now by Sky Plaza. Towards up Miles Zeal Aliana maintaining a 5 lengths leader. And here comes Octubre 14, try to get closer in second Modern Stroke. Then followed by Sky Plus goes 5 lengths away, Step Bell and Modern Stroke. And
Dito nga sa puntong ito ay bandera pa rin si Aliana at si Oktubre 14 naman ay unti-unti nang lumalapit.
Andrews Bet running in third, down in 40 goes, here comes Step Bella, Sky Plus and Modern Stroke, and 300 to go. Oktubre 14, Andrews Bet na.
At pagdating nga sa home stretch, nakuha na ni Oktubre 14 ang unahan.
Oktubre 14 with 2 lengths lead over Andrews Bet, front of the outside Step Bella.
At unti-unti nang lumalayo si Oktubre 14 at sinusundan naman siya sa pangalawang pesto ni Andrews Bet.
Oktubre 14, Andrews Bet. Then close third, Step Bell, Aliana.
Alright, crossing the wire first. Number 1, alyamadong Oktubre 14, nirendahan ni Danny Boy Camanyero. Then masisigunding 2, Andrews Bet.